Hey y'all, it's me, Sheldon Strickland, here with the Supply Chain Automation Workforce Hub team. Thank you guys so much for tuning in because we have another treat. We're featuring another supporter of registered apprenticeships across the nation. Now this individual goes by the name of Mike Lanoue, and he's representing the Utah Electrical Training Alliance. Let's take a look.
I'm Mike Lanoue. I'm the training director here at the Utah Electrical Training Alliance. We run a registered apprenticeship program here, actually two different classifications, inside wireman and low voltage telecommunication. Inside wireman is a 4-year apprenticeship program. We're currently right now at an all-time high. We've reached 800 apprentices in the program. Last year alone, we brought in over 300 new apprentices. This year, we're looking to be on track, pretty close to the same. So, I mean, we've got those growing pains and seeing how we could accommodate these guys as they're coming through the door and, getting them in.
Mike, that is every time I'm talking to someone that's within this space, whether they're a training director or CEO of a company, it's like the numbers of apprentices are going up. And the fact that you said 800, the last person that I spoke to, they said 120, and I was blown away. But you gave me a number of 800. So right now, you have the crown. That is, wow. Nice. Right.
I've probably done, maybe about 6 different presentations at high schools just to let these students know that pathway of getting in.
Mm-hmm.
Higher education is not always, the right path.
Mm-hmm.
There are these other options, for, apprenticeships and I just sell apprenticeships as a whole. It doesn't matter if you be an electrician or a welder or pipe fitter, look into an apprenticeship. Earn as you learn, it's something that you can get out there, start making money, and then be rewarded as you're progressing through.
Let's kind of talk, and I know you kind of touched it a little bit. SCA, Supply Chain Automation, Workforce Hub team, we provide incentive funding, right? So like I said earlier, intermediary relationship with the Department of Labor. They give us funding, and then of course we distribute those funds to other either training facilities or employer partners that we establish. So I kind of wanted you to kind of touch on a little bit about what you see the use of the incentive funding.
Oh, this is huge, and I don't even know where to start. I mean, there's
go for it.
We get up to 800. Just the cost of consumables. Kind of put it in perspective. I order bunks of conduit 7,000 feet at a time. I just ordered it 2.5 weeks ago. That's about $3,500 per bunk. And I mean, I just got notified today that we were running out, so I had to put in another order.
Yeah,
it's the cost of consumables. The wire. Like I said, we really pride ourselves in being very hands-on. I don't want to simulate stuff. I don't want to just teach them out of the book. I want you to actually go out there and wire stuff up, flip on the switch, see it work. So the cost of, devices, wire, stuff like that for the labs. I mean, just even like wire nuts, it adds up when you have that many students.
Yeah.
Well, I can't tell you guys thanks enough. I mean, it's This is huge for us.
Congratulations, Mike Lanoue, and all that you do for the Utah Electrical Training Alliance. Guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. As we continue to highlight individuals that are in this space, please don't forget to engage with us by visiting our website at www.scworkforcehub.com. I'm your host, Sheldon Strickland, signing out. But before we do, I want to say thanks for tuning in. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.